literally caught an accident today. Alright y'all, I'm hoping that the wind noise is not too bad. While I'm back here, just gonna cover this real quick. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking where it's been. It's here. Got some things going on with it. I know you guys are asking why I wanted to start. I've been trying to figure out the same thing. We actually don't got a motor in it. We'll talk more about this. We're gonna simmer down. But this is kind of the update. I wanted to give you guys some progress. Got some things coming. I'll give you guys a interior shot too. A few vids in here. Get my keys out. I got my jacks in there. It's cold as I don't know what up north now. Came back down from Atlanta. It was nice and warm. It was like 70. I'm like, damn, it's Thanksgiving, 70 degrees. So it's more coming to the channel, guys. Don't worry. But just door handles, you know, just little miscellaneous stuff, steering wheel, but everything else looks great. Interior is really the least of my worries right now. Really all looks good in here. Still got a lot of, I think that's the wire harness and all the electrical stuff in the back, but if you guys got any questions, I mean, feel free, DM me on my Instagram. I'll put it here, but yeah. It's gonna be more coming for this sunroof. Everything does work, no leaks. That's great. Probably gonna have to do something like, you know, about this, but it's all just little nicks and dings, miscellaneous stuff. Seats look good. We're gonna get new seats anyways, seat belts. The whole nine gonna be taken care of, but other than that, it looks really, really good in here. So more to come. Just wanted to give you guys a little surprise update. We're getting close to 1,000, so it's getting close to that sit down with y'all, you know? Very soon, I'll give you guys a little in-depth here, but all of that good stuff. Put some new headlights in. I'll give you guys the NA listing and run I had when I did have it in. It was pretty alright. It was pretty decent, but more to come. I know it's probably windy. I don't want to talk too much while this is going on. I would give you guys some better quality, but I had to give you guys some type of like progress timestamp so y'all see this now, and then the next time you guys see this, you know. So check back with y'all soon. You know, subscribe, like, comment, all that. Y'all gonna see. So, woo, I'm excited, bro.